wenervi. One device, infinity application. Application in the washing machine. In this video, we show a comparison between the using of wenervi device with 3 of the latest technology used in the washing machine. 1. Eco-Bubble technology. 2. Q-drum technology. 3. SuperSpeed technology. Important in these tests to better illustrate how the operation of the wenervi device is used the top-load washing machine model. The wenervi device can be installed and used in the front door model as well. Washing machine with using wenervi device. In this washing machine, the water inside the drum section by the water pump and again to the drum pumped. The wenervi device in outlet of the water pump and in the inlet into the drum installed. Wenervi device can be connected to the drum in 3 modes. 1. Bottom part. 2. Top part. 3. Simultaneous bottom and top part. Eco-Bubble technology. Washing machines with Eco-Bubble save energy by spreading foam over laundry before the washing cycle starts. Clothes will get an incredibly deep clean with Eco-Bubble technology. This efficient technology mixes air, water and detergent to create bubbles that penetrate clothes faster, helping wash at cooler temperature. So it's better for the environment. The air required for the mixes with water and detergent is supplied by the generator. But if it's use of wenervi device, the air all time of wash cycle enters the drum. So, it helps to saving more energy. Two. Q-drum technology. The drum, the axis of its rear wall with 3 blades is not connected with the axis of the main drum. This design provides simultaneous rotation of the drum parts in 2 opposite directions. As a consequence, the laundry is additionally moved along the axis. As a result, a complex movement increases the intensity of washing, reducing its duration. But if the wenervi device is used when the high-speed climate mixture enters the drum, it will cause more turbulence in collision with clothes. It causes the rapid separation of pollution from the surface of the clothes. SuperSpeed technology. SuperSpeed mode is designed for fast daily wash. This mode also uses the quick drive and Eco-Bubble technologies and speed spray option, which sends powerful jets of water to the drum. But when a wenervi device is installed in the top part of the drum, it can have super speed function. Drawback of washing machine with 3 technology. Washing machine with Eco-Bubble, quick drive and super speed technology. Unfortunately, a very high price is the main and only drawback of this series. But the most important part in the washing machine with a wenervi device system is a water pump. The water pump is available and inexpensive, so the price of this washing machine will be much cheaper. The price difference of this washing machine, which may also have better quality, is very high with other washing machines. Washing machine with every brand cannot be the rival this washing machine.